Welcome back to Car Zone 2024, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive design and engineering. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi S8, a flagship sedan that effortlessly blends luxury with high performance. As we focus solely on its exterior, prepare for a deep dive into the details of this powerful machine. The Audi S8 has long been the epitome of performance luxury sedans, tracing its roots back to the 1996 Audi S8 T2. Over the years, it's evolved into a more aggressive and dynamic model, while staying true to its heritage of combining speed and sophistication. The 2025 Audi S8 continues this tradition, boasting a powerful 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that produces an astonishing 563 horsepower, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds. This sedan competes with top-tier sports cars, all while maintaining a classy exterior. Let's start with the front, where the Audi S8 commands attention with its bold and aggressive stance. The single-frame grille has been further refined, featuring a honeycomb mesh pattern in black. The large air intakes on either side of the grille enhance both cooling and the car's athletic appearance. Audi's signature matrix-LED headlights are sharper than ever, integrated with dynamic turn signals and Audi's digital matrix technology, which gives the car a distinctive look both day and night. The lowered front bumper, with its sharp lines, creates a more assertive demeanor, hinting at the performance capabilities that lie beneath the hood. Moving to the side, the 2025 Audi S8 retains its long, elegant body lines that define it as a full-size luxury sedan. But look closer, and you'll notice the more athletic touches. The prominent shoulder line runs from the headlights to the taillights, giving the car a streamlined look. The 21-inch alloy wheels, available in a variety of designs, sit perfectly within the wheel arches, contributing to its slanted stance. The aluminum mirror caps add a sleek touch, and the subtle S8 badging reminds you that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. At the rear, the 2025 S8 leaves a lasting impression with its bold design. The LED taillights are sharp, with a continuous light strip that spans the width of the car, providing a modern touch. The quad exhaust tips, encased in a black diffuser, add to the sporty look and give the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The sloping rear deck emphasizes the car's aerodynamics, while the integrated spoiler enhances performance at high speeds. The 2025 Audi S8's exterior is the perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Every detail is meticulously crafted, reflecting both Audi's luxury heritage and its commitment to performance. Stay tuned to Car Zone 2024 for more in-depth car reviews and breakdowns.